Hello, I'm Taber by name. I'm the leader of the Greens Fair Group. We're a group of students from the University of Buea. We are advocating for the environment. What we do is simple. Collect plastic, recycle them into bricks. Recently, there have been enormous environmental challenges that has been affecting our environment, particularly dealing with plastics. The company in charge of waste collection is doing their best, but they do the traditional landfill method, which is not enough to manage particularly the plastic waste. So we came up with an idea of recycling these plastics into bricks, and that's what we are here today to do. The process in which this is formed is a simple process. First is the selection of raw materials. These raw materials include plastic bottles, plastic papers. So what we do basically is move from hostels to collect plastics, and also move to areas of the dustbin, collect these plastics, bring them to our warehouse for recycling. The next process involves shielding of these raw materials, cutting them into smaller pieces to ease the melting process, after which they are being mixed up with sand. From there, we take it to the fire for melting. We all know plastic is a big issue in the environment, and so far managing plastic has been a hectic process. So firstly, the first thing this thing does is to make one brick, as you see like this, you need an estimate of 15 plastic bottles. Imagine making 1,000 bricks with this. 1,000 bricks, it means you'll be reducing an estimate of 15,000 plastic bottles from the environment. That's a big thing. That's clearing the environment from plastic, giving a good serenity to the environment, especially in the urban cities like Douala, Buea. Secondly, this helps to reduce carbon dioxide emission. How do I mean carbon dioxide emission? In a study, it was estimated that about 20% of greenhouse gases are released during cement production. Hence, making bricks from plastic involves no cement. Hence, if you are making bricks from plastic, involves no cement. So we just use only sand and the plastic. That is, we are cleaning the environment from greenhouse gases, indirectly fighting climate change. And now we molded it with a shape to come out with the shape of this brick.
So this is the final stage.
This plastic also helps block waterways, as the case that happened in Buea, where drainage were being blocked by plastic. Taking out this plastic from this environment and molding them into something useful for the community is a big win, thereby clearing waterways and reducing pollution of the environment. Our goal firstly is to contribute to our own quota in environmental protection. As you see this plastic brick, this product, firstly it has a high insulation capacity for heat, for noise, and also for electricity. Secondly, it has high durability. As you can see, very durable. Hence, can be used for construction, and it will last longer than a normal domestic brick made from cement. This product can also be used for the construction of buildings, road pavement, and can also be used for decorative purposes. It just depends on what you have as a shaping to mold the block. As you see, we had just a small shaped object that will mold the block inside. If you wish to mold it into a full block or anything decorative, you can do so. The sole aim is depending on your molding material. Our sole aim is to empower communities, younger generations, to become environmental activists, thereby using their intuition and be creative. Using their intuition and become creative by solving the problem of their immediate challenges. For example, plastic is a waste, but from what we have just done, you can see that it is a resource. This can also be monetarized and earn some income from it. Hence, firstly, we are out to empower young people to know that the environment needs to be catered for, it needs to be protected. And not just that, they can use their intuition and innovation to do something innovative with the ways and the challenges that the environment has posed to them. No, I work with a team of 3 members. Here is Buea, and here is Buea. These are my team. I work together. Very solid. It's very strong.